Frozen Tundra. Okay, I haven't been here yet. That's for certain. Wonder what's up here. Nothing. That was useless. That's a thing. I don't know what it was, but it was a thing. Some sort of crab. And it should do a lot of damage to me, actually. Oh, it's a headbutt monster. Goody. Still did virtually nothing to me. Don't know how. How am I doing so much electrical damage? Where's that him trying to do damage to me? There's the ukulele, which will do the electrical damage that I was just thinking I had anyway. But it turns out I don't. Alright, now I can afford this one. There was an enemy over there. Knockback? Absolutely. Extra containers, more enemies. They didn't stand a chance. Are these robots or what? They're all dead now, so I guess it doesn't matter. Oh no, ninjas! Oh, ninjas start appearing once the difficulties reached medium. That's how it works, isn't it? I think I get that now. Okay. I'm gonna take this large chest in favor of the, oh, whatever. 4 basic attacks, pierce through enemy. I don't like the looks of that. Did a lot of damage though. Every 4 attacks pierce through enemies. That went well. Why are more of you spawning? Go away. They're robots. Double damage. I'll take it. Go away, robot. Ninjas. Missile ninjas. Even worse. Ninjas that are about to kill me. The worst of all. Their missiles go through the terrain. Luckily I have missiles too. They don't do that much though. I need to go. I need to get out of there. Okay, so those robots are no more special than any of the others that I've seen. Oh, I should probably heal, shouldn't I? I heal very rapidly when standing still. I'm already back up to full. Alright, so I can afford both of these again. Oh goody, another head stompers. Just what I needed. Encouragement to fall from great heights. The hopes of doing slight damage to enemies. A key? Unlocks all chests in vision. That might be better than the explosives. I'll take it. Ooh, this seems to lead downwards. I wonder what's down here. I'm going to ignore. I suppose I can't ignore them. I can't afford to. I may need them for the money. And for the whole teleporter thing. Oh wow, that thing does a whole lot of damage to me. A lot. Time to go. Let's not take immense falling damage from this. Oh, he's gonna launch rockets too. I'm gonna die. Unless I recover right here. Make the ultimate comeback. In time. Maybe launch a few missiles down there. Except they seem to get caught on that rope. Fortunate. I seem to have killed the majority of those enemies, so I can deal with the rest of you. Perfect. Okay. Continue my descent. Ooh, where's this go? Seems to lead under that area where I spawned. Oh boy. Ooh, what's this? It's nothing, is what it is. Barely survived that encounter as well. Oh hey, golden teleporting enemy again. Great. Love those teleporting enemies. And the ones that shoot rockets too. Those ones are great. They're everywhere. Go away. Oh no. I need to recover right here. Ninjas are on me again. They're doing more damage than I'm recovering, so I need to run again. Darn it. I hate having to run. Fact of the matter is, I have to run. Okay, I think I'm good. Dealt some damage all to those enemies because I fell on them. Head stompers, actually pretty useful. When you look at it that way. Use. Got a fire shield. Nice. And then here's a mystery item. If I could just kill all these enemies so I could use it. And assuming this guy doesn't kill me. Okay, quickly, use. Ooh, leech seed. Okay, I'll take that. No, not you. Go away. Ugh. Did he teleport all the way here, or is that a different one? Come on. Wow, there's so many of them. That appears to be a secret area that I cannot access. Ah, come on, survive. Oh, that sounds impossible now. One of those rockets hit me. I think I'm gonna die. There's just so many enemies. I don't think I'm gonna survive. I'm not gonna survive. Feather. I have a feather now! I'm invincible. Can't beat me. Don't even try. It's not worth the time or the effort. Try and kill me. No. Oh. Stand still. Heal. Please heal. For all that is good. I need whatever is in these chests and that special box thing over there. Take some damage, then go hide again. Hidey ho. Okay, time to hide. Those rockets are still hitting me. Hide better. More enemies are spawning in, that's not really good. Alright. Just the headbutting ones though, so it should be fine. Oh boy, that's a lot of damage. I did get rid of most of them. Now I just have to wait. Okay, health is fully recovered once again. Do all the damage. And head back up. Heal some more. I suppose this strategy is working well, but it's rather boring, isn't it? Face death honorably. Feather! Feather! Featherlight! Sponsored drink of Hygrim. I'm dead. Remember that as time increases, so does difficulty. Yeah, I could tell. It became hard. It only just became hard. I was killed by the mechanical spider as well. One of the weakest of the enemies. Alright.